paper planes! Why don't we make a paper candy today? For this, we require multiple origami papers. Yes, you can keep it of different sizes. Now, it's time for us to take the first one and fold it into a triangle. Make sure you fold it from side to side. Now, open up the flap of the triangle. And then, why don't you do this? Yes, we need to fold right on top of the line. After that, create this pocket and push this top part inside. That's right. Now, it's time for us to fold this as well. Can you fold it with me? That's lovely. Now, it's time for us to do the same thing with multiple papers. Why don't we have 8 such papers? Now, do you see this triangle here? Well, yes, we need to put some glue right there. And now, it's time for us to take the other paper and push it in. Something like this. Now, why don't we put some more glue right here and repeat the same step? Let's keep doing the same steps again and again till the time we form a circle. The lollipop is going to turn out very tasty. Are you making it with me? That's great. Let's take different papers and start making this lollipop. We will approximately need 8 papers to create the entire circle. We need to also make sure that we do it properly so that we get a beautiful design behind. Once we are done with this, this is how the lollipop looks. Now, it's time for us to make the stick. Let's take a toothpick and put it on the corner. And after that, let's start rolling it inwards. Now, you can remove the toothpick and continue rolling. Our stick is almost ready. Now, let's stick the end part. And look, it is ready. Looks like a wand, isn't it? Now, why don't we put it at the back of the lollipop? Yes, you can fix it with a tape. Why don't you take a paper tape and stick it? Also, you can color it with your favorite color. Why don't we color it nicely? Well, yes, our lollipop is ready to go. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.